In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Readwise to your Notion second brain. Whether you're an avid reader or just someone who loves collecting insights from various sources, linking Readwise with Notion is a fantastic way to organize and utilize information efficiently. Let's dive into this process step by step. First, we need to ensure that you have a Readwise account set up. If you haven't registered yet, visit the Readwise website and sign up for an account. Once you have completed the registration, sign in and get familiar with the platform. Readwise helps you curate and review highlights from books, articles, and other content you read, making it an invaluable tool for knowledge retention and review. Now that you're ready on the Readwise side, let's move to Notion. Ensure you have a Notion workspace set up. If Notion is new to you, you'll find it to be an excellent tool for organization and productivity. After logging into your Notion account, navigate to the workspace where you want the Readwise data to appear. Whether you have a dedicated space or a specific page for your second brain setup, being organized is key to a smooth integration. Next, we're going to enable the Notion integration from within Readwise. Head back over to your Readwise dashboard and look for the integration settings, which can typically be found in the account settings area. From there, select Notion as the platform you'd like to connect. You'll be prompted to authenticate and provide permission for Readwise to connect to your Notion account. During this process, you might be required to log into Notion through the integration interface, so have your Notion credentials handy. Once permissions are granted, you'll see an option to import your highlights into a specific Notion page. It's important to choose the right page where you want your Readwise highlights to be sent. This could be part of a larger system or a standalone second brain page dedicated to your readings and notes. Readwise will now automatically sync your highlights to this Notion page, keeping everything updated. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you're not seeing the highlights in your Notion after setting up the integration, check that the integration settings and permissions are correctly configured. Sometimes, simply reauthorizing the connectivity between the two services can resolve any syncing issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now connected Readwise to your Notion second brain. This setup will provide you with an efficient way to collect, organize, and review your reading insights all in one place. I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of both Readwise and Notion, fostering an even more productive and organized reading and learning experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.